everyone, I welcome you all to one more session of questions discussion, wherein we'll be taking up questions of slightly higher difficulty level and slightly better questions, just to say. Let's look at this question. It says ABCD is a rectangle excluding the 4 vertices. There are 4 points each on A, B and CD. I'll just draw it once. So this is our ABCD. Excluding the 4 vertices, there are 4 points here. There are 4 points here. And 3 points on BC and AD. There are 3 points here. There are 3 points here. Find the number of triangles that can be formed using this 18 points. Now look at the number of points that we have here. The number of points, if you'll just count, it is 4 here, 8, 3 and 3, 6, 14, and this 4 vertices. Overall 18 points are there. Right? So what will be number of triangles? So let's go for the general formula. How do we find the number of triangles if number of points are given? My number of triangles is simply NC3. So in this case it's going to be 18C3. Right? But then I realize that there will be so many triangles which will be formed using the points which essentially lie on the same line. For example, if you form a triangle joining these 3 points, it will be no triangle. Similarly, if you form a triangle using these 3, it will be no triangle, it will be a straight line. Right? So that way there will be so many triangles that will be cancelled out. Now how many triangles will be cancelled out? Let's check. So basically any triangle that will be formed out of these 6 points. Any triangle that you form out of the 6 points will be cancelled out, right? Will have to be eliminated because that's no triangle. Similarly, any triangle out of the 6 points will have to be removed. So 6C3 number of triangles have to be removed twice. Not just that, there are certain triangles that will be removed vertically also. This one's. So basically any triangle formed out of these 5 points or these 5 points, they will also have to be removed. So basically what are we removing again? 5C3 into 2. So basically these many triangles have to be removed. Because there will be no triangles and you are counting them unnecessarily here in 18C3. So thus the answer should look like 18C3 minus this sum. Let's simplify. Now what is 18C3? 18, 17, 16 upon 6 minus 6C3, 6 into 5 into 4 upon 6 into 2. I'll take that 2 outside, plus 5C3 is nothing but 10. I'm writing it directly. So when you solve this, it's 20 plus 10, 30, 30 into 2, 60. And this will be 3 times. So 3 17s is 51 into 16 minus 60. So when you do this, it's 816 minus 60, which will give us 756 as our final answer. So here the question was on permutation, combination, right? But here it was slight combination of geometry also, right? Very, very small. However, we did not actively use any property of geometry as such. It's almost 100% PNC problem only, right? But there's also this rectangle which was involved. These are the kind of questions that we get to see in our competitive exams, right, on a regular basis from this chapter of PNC probability. I hope this was clear. So we've come to the end of the session today, this short session. I hope you followed the question. Please do it yourself again. Regularly revise these set of questions again whenever you get a chance. In fact, right before your test, right, few weeks before the test. Make a collection of these questions and start solving them, not on daily basis, but do several questions on one day. Right, on that note, let me end the session here. Thank you and all the very best.